Did you know the average car owner spends over $1 to $100 a year on repairs and maintenance? But here's the kicker. Most of that money is wasted. Yep, wasted. Not because your car's broken, but because no one ever showed you the simple habits that actually prevent those breakdowns. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 4 car maintenance secrets that mechanics rarely mention, but could save you thousands. One of these tips could literally keep your engine from blowing up. So buckle up, because what you're about to learn will put you back in the driver's seat. Let's start with the sun. Your car's silent killer. Park it wrong, and it'll age faster than a beach chair in a hurricane. Tip number 1. Park smart. UV rays crack dashboards, fade paint, and warp interiors. Always aim for shade, use a windshield sunshade, and if it's safe, crack your windows. Got access to a garage? That's even better. Pro move? Protect your car like you protect your skin. Tip number 2. Rotate your tires. Uneven wear kills handling, ruins gas mileage, and yes, can lead to blowouts. Rotate every 5,00028,000 miles, and your tires could last way longer. Neglect it, and you might skid into a repair bill, or worse. Tip number 3. Flush that radiator. Coolant breaks down over time. If you don't flush it every 2 years, it can clog the system and overheat your engine. That's not just inconvenient, it's catastrophic. We are talking thousands of dollars in engine damage. Tip number 4. Fresh wipers, clear view. Wipers wear fast. Replace them every 6 to 12 months. If they are skipping, squeaking, or smudging, don't wait. Visibility is safety, and you can swap them yourself in under 5 minutes. Here's the truth. Your car talks to you. And when you learn to listen, you drive longer, spend smarter, and take control of your financial future. You don't need to be a mechanic to maintain your car. You just need the right mindset and a little know-how. If this helped you take one step closer to car freedom, hit that subscribe button and share these tips with someone who's tired of handing over their paycheck to the repair shop. This is Auto Repair, where we fix more than cars. We fix bad habits.